Hello everyone! Get ready to discover the most impressive machines and tools in the world. Breathtaking power, precision, and engineering. Relax and enjoy the show. This specialized machine cuts through the earth with incredible ease, creating perfectly shaped trenches in seconds. What used to be exhausting work now looks like child's play. Perfect road marking is possible thanks to machines like this one, designed to ensure precision and efficiency on every stretch of road. With a powerful razor-sharp blade, this machine cuts thick steel logs as if they were butter, showcasing the strength and precision of modern engineering. As this operator uses a powerful metal bender to effortlessly curve a massive steel bar. The perfect balance between power and control. This robust machine crushes massive rocks into small decorative stones or gravel, reshaping landscapes with raw power. A precision cutter slices aluminum sheets that are then transported on a conveyor belt for stacking and shipping. Pure industrial efficiency. Ever wondered how plumbers' Teflon tape is made? Here's how it's rolled in factories, with impressive precision and consistency. Cement powder is transformed here into perfectly molded bricks within seconds. Fast, efficient, and surprisingly clean. The soil compactor does its job with power, but the real show is the operator's rhythm and coordination. He could be in a dance competition. This clever tool turns an ordinary concrete floor into an elegant brick-style finish. Proof that creativity belongs in construction too. In winter, rivers and lakes freeze, cutting off animals' access to water. That's why this special tool cuts circular holes in the ice, giving them a way to drink. This machine divides dough into perfect portions, shapes each piece, and arranges them neatly, a model of precision in industrial baking. Sunflower seeds are packaged with millimetric precision, ensuring speed, quality, and consistency in every bag. This tractor attachment removes weeds around trees with accuracy, making agricultural maintenance faster and easier. In this workshop, olives are hand-pressed using a traditional machine that extracts pure oil, preserving the ancient craft of olive oil making. A spinning blade turns a single potato into perfect French fries in less than a second, where technology meets taste. Metal baluster production begins by feeding bars through a patterned mold, shaping elegant and durable designs. When dirt builds up, this machine steps in, cleaning large surfaces in minutes with unmatched power and efficiency. Thanks to this machine, ropes are automatically tied around shipping boxes in seconds, streamlining the entire logistics process. If you've ever hit your fingers with a hammer, you'll love this revolutionary tool. It protects your hands while you work with precision. As powerful as it is precise, this machine cuts metal angles effortlessly, almost as if slicing through butter. In modern bakeries, a high-speed slicer cuts each loaf with flawless accuracy, ensuring uniformity and time efficiency. When a blade breaks, repairing it becomes an art, melting the metal with electric heat and joining the parts with millimetric precision. In mountainous regions, farming demands ingenuity. These special motors and tracks carry crops effortlessly across rugged terrain. The caution labels you see on cables aren't placed by hand. Automated machines attach them firmly and precisely. These machines mold and stamp soap with such precision that each bar looks like a tiny work of art. I've seen powerful vacuums, but this one tops them all. It can suck up chunks of brick and dirt. Its motor is a true beast. Picking up nails is now effortless thanks to this magnetic tool that gathers them instantly. Molten plastic turns into water jugs before our eyes, a molding machine combining heat, pressure, and precision. This industrial vehicle arranges and moves barriers like bowling pins, showing total mastery of automation. Spoons take shape under a pressure device that molds their hollow contours with precision. Baking molds are made from metal sheets using a technique known as stamping. And although many think these stickers are placed by hand, in reality, machines do the job with millimetric precision.